Yeah, this is Chief Nachina. I'm coming here to discuss myself, to describe myself to those people who are outside Ghana or inside Ghana. None of this. People come online and people are claimed to be powerful. They come online, Calvin TV station, coming Instagram, YouTube, to fraud people. And I'm here. I will not allow any fraud man to fraud anyone. Because God has given me power to help those people who don't have money, to help those people who have spiritual problems. That is why I'm coming TV Talk, to help those people who is suffering. My brother, if you are inside Ghana or outside Ghana, if you are Nigeria, if you are Cameroon, wherever you are, and you watch my video, try to pick my number and call me, because I'm the only spiritual man who can make you rich. I'm the only spiritual man who can change your life. I'm the only spiritual man who can make your dream come true. I'm the only spiritual man who can change your destiny for you. My brother, I'm here to tell you what I can do for you. So those people who are watching this video, try to pick my number. Try to pick my number, and I will tell you this is how I'm doing my work. A lot of people contact me. I already do many things to them. People from Nigeria, Gambia, Cameroon, I can't count them. I help a lot of people outside Ghana. So if you are outside Ghana, don't say you cannot come. I will tell you what you are going to do, and I will do the work for you. This is Chief Nachina. I'm here to explain myself to the viewers. Don't allow it, because people are on TV station frauding people too much. The frauding is too much, and I will not allow for people to take people's money without helping him. How can you take someone money? My brother, if you didn't contact Chief Nachina, you will regret later. Because I can boast. I'm the only one who can change your life for you. Don't contact anyone unless Chief Nachina. I can help your spiritual problems for you. If you have money problem, or you have marriage problem, if you have work problem, if you marry a woman and he's not giving birth, or if you have infertility problem, come, I can do that for you. If you are working and they sack you out from the work, come. Only Chief Nachina can do that for you. I'm going to demonstrate. It's not only talking that I'm going to talk. I will demonstrate for small, for you people, to those people who view it, to see who I am. Before I will demonstrate, I have to give my gods what they need. I have to do sacrifice for them, so that they can now allow me to do my actions. Masenta Pambala Mako Kubia Pako Sorana Mandoja Kub Sorale Haza Mpachema Chamtuzona Pupa inam Sonya Kai Joma Sonkawama Wumazukanya Java Kana Alajiri Masenda Pambala Masenda Pambala Yawa. Kana alajiri? I inherited it from my grandfathers. Curse! Curse! Now, my ancestors accept my sacrifice. And now I'm going to do action for you people to believe that this is a real spiritual man. I can do whatever you want for you. Let me explain Pocket No Drive for you to see and believe that when you contact me, I'll do everything for you people. My gods have accepted my sacrifice. I'm going to demonstrate the action for you people to see. Cameraman, look near. There is no anything. There is no anything. Check it very well. Check it. Gandu. Sonem Gandu. Alexander Gandu. Pakura Gandu. Makukubia kwa kusorana amando Jakub. Sorani kup. If you are Ghana, if you are Nigeria, the drop that I'm commanding you to come here, to come and give me money that I need. Check it very well. This is what we call Pocket No Drive. My brother, I told you, this when you are from Ghana, if you are from Nigeria, if you are from Botswana, whatever you are, come. I'll give you Pocket No Drive. This is Pocket No Drive. I told you I can change your life. Don't follow those people who fraud you. When you are going and you do not reach where you are going, you don't need to say you are tired. When you are tired, you remain there. And there is a saying that when you born a poor, it's not your mistake. But when you die poor, it's your mistake. Check it very well. This is the really chief. The really one. No size. The really chief. Nachina. No size. So this is what we call Pocket No Drive. My brother, make sure you pick my number. This is Chief Nachina. Without this number, if you didn't get me, without this number, it's fraud. Without 2020 7011 800 fraud, or without 054 66 78 598 fraud. Without these two numbers, fraud. That is me. Because none of these people are use some people pictures going online, frauding people, and I will not allow it. This is real Chief Nachina. Can't you see? I'm just keep on saying about fraud because none of the fraud are too much. I'm there. People are giving me complaint about those people who fraud. Many people are coming TV top. Someone will just come say he's doing instant money, not knowing that the person don't even have even power to do anything. And I'm here to introduce myself for you. My brother, wherever you are, make sure you contact Chief Nachina and get what you want. Now, I'm going to express what we call pot money for my viewers. This is pot money. I'm going to express it. When you are in Ghana, you are Nigeria. I'm talking about those people in Nigeria. They are those people that they fraud too much. Because I have a complaint from Nigerian people. They fraud them too much. And I don't want anybody to fraud them again. I don't want anybody to fraud any Nigerian man or Cameroon man or Gambia man. Make sure you contact me. This is how I will demonstrate the pot money for you people. Check it here. There is nothing inside on it. There is nothing inside. Cameraman, look inside the calabash. There is nothing. I'm going to demonstrate something. If you are from outside Ghana, if you are from Nigeria, contact me for pot money. This is what we call pot money. Hasa Kabacha. If you are from outside Ghana, contact me. This is what we call instant money. The pocket one. I'll do it for you. Check it very well. Hasa Kabacha. If you are from bank, outside bank, if you are Nigeria bank, If you are Ghana, if you are Botswana, command the money for me. Command the money for me. Check it. This world we call pouch money. You check it. Cameraman, when you are looking here, have you inside the calabash? There is no money inside on it. I command it for you. So I want those people who view it to know that this is a really chief Nachina. If you need help without me, fraud. If you contact anybody, fraud. No me, fraud. Unless me. Contact Chief Nachina. You get what you want. Don't let people fraud you. I get complaint of fraud. That's why I come online to save people. And I'm here to save you. Wherever you are, contact Chief Nachina. I can do what you want for you. Now, I'm going to explain what we call instant money. Because nowadays, people don't know what instant money. Instant money is when you are a human being, or you are a man, or you are a woman, and you have a family, and you don't have, because nowadays, people don't have money to spend. When to talk of feeding their family. When you are outside Ghana, or you are inside Ghana, and you want instant money, take my number. Take my number. I will do instant money for you. I'm going to demonstrate how instant money, I do instant money. Because nowadays, people too claim to be powerful. And I'm the only spiritual man who can do whatever you want for you. I'm the only man who can save your life for you. My brother, don't contact anybody and the person take your money. Make sure you contact Chief Nachina. The really one. The really Nachina. I'm going to demonstrate what we call instant money for you people. Cameraman, come here. Check here. Check it. Check it. Check it. There is nothing inside the box. There is nothing inside the box. Viewers, look at it well. There is nothing inside the box. When I close it and come, this one is a black magic. When the money comes, everybody will see it. It's a black magic. Kindabor. Mazinda pambala. Makukubia kwa kusona manjo Yakob Sorane. If you are, I command you to go to Commercial Bank, to go to Zenith Bank, to go to First Bank, to go to any bank and command money for me. I command you to go to anywhere and command money for me. Any money, I want dollars, fiscal dollars, naira, Ghana cedis. Now, look at this here. I want you to believe that this real Mala. This Ghana cedis. My brother, if you are from Ghana, contact me. I'll do anything you want for you. Check it. It's not Ghana, only Ghana cedi that I champ. I champ dollars. Check it. Bundles. Contact me, $500. 500 euro. Contact me and get what you want. Without me, you won't get help. Because people are online frauding people. Contact Chief Nachina. Make sure you take Chief Nachina number. Because people are there online frauding people. Without me, you won't get any help. Check it. This 200 Ghana cedis. Check it. Well, check it. Real money. I don't joke. When you contact me, you are safe. I believe, I promise. You won't regret. I'm reminding you, without this number, fraud. When you are going to contact me, my number is 020-7011-800 or 054-66-785-98. Without due to numbers, fraud. $500. This is safer. Check it. Nigerian naira. Check it. Nigerian people. This is your currency. If you are in Nigeria, contact me. I'll do anything you want for you. I don't joke. I don't joke. I have powers that can command money. If you are Nigeria, if you are Cameroon, and we need money, I'll command for you. The money is plenty. Oh, my brother, why are you waiting for? Your really man is here. What are you waiting for? And you are going and they fraud you. Come. This euro, 100 euro. Don't go and they fraud you. Take my number on the screen. Look inside my gauze. They help me to command this money. Check it. This is dollars. Check it very well. When you come to me, I promise, I'll give you what you want. Check it. This dollars. Safer, 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 safer. Ghana cedis, Ghana cedis, Ghana cedis. Come. What are you waiting for? Your helper is here, Chief Nachina. And what are you waiting for? Come. Take my number. Take my number. See the one that I jump. And you are waiting for someone to fraud you. Don't call someone. Take my number. Take my number. So what are you waiting for? Check it. Bundles. Bundles. But what are you waiting for? Come. Come and get rich. I'm the only person who can use only a few days to change your life for you. I'm the only person who can change your life. I'm the only person who can use one day to make you rich, to make your dream come true, to let you and everybody know you to become rich. This is really Chief Nachina. This is my temple. So those people who is seeing the video, make sure you contact me. This is a really one. Don't let anyone fraud you, because I'm here for you. If you make mistake, you will regret. You take my number. I'm going to call my number for you to see it, because people are too fraud. Without these numbers, don't let anyone fraud you. Without 020-7011-800 fraud, or without this 0546678-598 fraud. Without these two numbers, this fraud. Know me. Make sure when you contact me, I don't need anything from you, but it's only items that you are going to provide for my gods, and I will give you for my temple. Like, first, I'm to demonstrate I do sacrifice for my temple, so they understand and I can charm the money. So when you are coming to me, you bring the items, the one that I will give it to the gods, and they will provide the money for you. I don't need anything from you. So the viewers, that's the thing that I have for you. And now I'm going to say bye bye to those people who are viewing my video. So this is really Chief Nachina. Make sure you contact me. Look at the one that I jump. I don't need anything from you. When you contact me, you get what you want. This is really Chief Nachina. I'm from Ghana. When you need me, call my numbers. My number is on the screen. When you are outside Ghana, make sure you add my country code +233. My country code is +233. +233. If you are not outside Ghana, add +233 and add my number. When you call me, it will come, or WhatsApp me, it will come. That's how I have my viewers. I'm now going to say bye bye to those people who view me.
Nasalam jatire dum benang bu waya kana wani dang nang na fatin bi guble yalwa al barka bandum kurna nang pam fatin biya gambere nang bisin konkalen namni bunjo waya kayan dukulu ka kongiya wanda kong mang fatin bi guble nasagar dang yuna pakken bi kwacha Mamba yulin salpuyilka Bumbume namba Uway Ndamba yabu bukunun shari Wababa yulitire yenye anasabe Bumbyo abalmaye Bumbwana abalmaye nom katin mama mun jana nin yabo wa ko mon nin kana garma salam bublana nuni na partout salam bublana nuni na partout biya yergale na wala salu salgu birdinan bijednan dinan bien damle birdinan ya dungo parbi kotiya mo de sam parbi ya bunda ko